Hello, this is a presentation for the paper Seeing is Believing, Exploring Perceptual Differences in Deepfake Videos. My name is Hira Jamshed from LUMS, presenting on behalf of my co-authors. In the current era of misinformation, machine learning algorithms can be used to create deepfakes, which are hyper-realistic altered videos that can potentially be used to spread propaganda and misinformation at a massive scale, affecting individuals, businesses, and even the political process of entire countries. Detecting deepfakes is a challenging problem. New and improved techniques such as autoencoders and generative adversarial networks can be used to create such high quality fake videos that are undetectable even to the most advanced detection algorithms. Even if detection algorithms prove useful, humans will continue to be the weak link in the detection process and can still be misled as deepfakes become prevalent. Our goal in this paper is to raise awareness around deepfakes and to investigate if users can be educated to be on the guard when consuming such media. To achieve our goal, we used a mixed methods approach. We analyzed different automated deepfake detection techniques to understand the indicators they use to detect deepfakes. We conducted a user study to understand human perception, detection capability, and awareness of deepfakes on a representative population sample from the developing world. We used the results of the previous two studies to train a sample population to detect deepfakes and analyze the results. Some of the main techniques for detection rely on visual cues within the videos to determine their authenticity. We analyzed a sample of such techniques on our dataset using content activation maps. We found that most of the techniques focused on various facial regions like eyes, mouth, nose, and ears of the person in the deepfake. Next, we conducted an online survey to see how well a sample population detects deepfakes and what features they instinctively focus on during the detection process. We made a web application in which a mixed set of real and fake videos were shown to the respondent, after which they were asked to identify them as fake or real. We used an embedded JavaScript library to track their eye movements to see what they were focusing on. Participants were also asked a set of questions to see what features they focused on to capture their thought process, engagement with such content, assess their digital literacy, etc. The results of this survey were quite interesting. While the real videos were correctly identified by 88% of the participants, only 38% of them could correctly identify the fake videos. This was a significant difference and was in line with our hypothesis that deepfakes are difficult to detect for the general audience. We also found different characteristics of deepfakes that helped humans successfully identify them, such as the eyes, cheek, etc. Our final study involved carrying out an in lab control experiment. This was done to quantify the improvement in a person's ability to detect a defect after targeted training. Much like the previous study, the participants were first shown a set of videos and then were explicitly asked to determine whether a given video was fake, while the control group was simply advanced to the final stage where the same exercise was repeated with a new set of videos. The treatment group underwent a training exercise on how to identify defects. Since there is no prior work that details the best practices on training people to detect defects, we created our own custom approach by combining results from our baseline survey and the analysis of automated detection techniques. We created a set of clear walkthrough examples from these results, ensuring an appropriate mix of easy and hard to detect defects. Real videos were also added to act as a baseline for comparison. After this training exercise, the treatment group was taken through the same final step as that of the control group. The results of this study showed how the accuracy of the participants to identify fake videos increased by 33% after the training, as compared to the control group where the performance remained somewhat the same. Our results show that awareness training can help improve the perception of deepfakes. Interestingly, around 9% of the participants started doubting even real videos after the training. This highlighted the fact that exposure to such fake content also causes a lack of trust, resulting in a phenomenon called reality apathy. Before ending the presentation, I would like to reiterate the danger attributed to the distribution of deepfakes and the imperative need for establishing such awareness campaigns to mitigate the effects of a lack of understanding and misplaced trust on part of humans for such media. Through the baseline survey, we established how humans in the developing world are not prepared for the virality of such fake content and so need to be educated, trained, and equipped with the appropriate skills to help mitigate the spread of deepfakes. Our training survey is the first step in showing that training can make people more cautious and improve their ability to detect deepfakes. Currently, to the best of our knowledge, there are no educational and awareness initiatives that target issues surrounding deepfakes. Our results from the comparative study can offer meaningful insights as to the most useful directions to pursue in order to effectively minimize the potential damages. Thank you.